Do you know the Triple NUT Gorakhpur registration form has been released? You can register following these simple steps.
Okay, so start the registration. Click on apply now or click here to apply. Then select new registration and then click on create account. Fill in the required details: full name, email ID, mobile number, password, security verification. After entering all the details, click create account. You will receive OTP on your registered email address and mobile number. Enter the OTPs and click verify OTP to complete the account verification process. After successful account verification, you will see the APAR ID verification section. Click here to verify APAR ID. Enter your APAR ID, click continue. An OTP will be sent to your registered mobile number. Enter the OTP and complete the verification. You will now be redirected to DigiLocker. You will see two verification options such as driving license verification and PAN card verification. Select any one of the available option. For example, you may choose PAN card verification. DigiLocker will process your request. Click continue. Once the verification is completed, your personal information will be displayed on the screen. Carefully review all the details. Tick the confirmation checkbox. Click continue. Complete all the required information in the application form. After filling in the details, click save and next. The application consists of three major sections, so complete all three. First one is personal details. Fill in all the required personal information and click save and next. Document upload all the necessary documents and click save and next. Final submission: review all the entered information carefully and proceed to the payment section. Complete the application fee payment and submit your form successfully. When the choice filling windows open, select your preferred branches and courses. Arrange them accordingly to your preference order. Carefully lock your choice before the deadline.
To make your counseling process easier, we have created Nexus, a platform developed by the student of Madan Mohan Malvi University of Technology, Gorakhpur. If you have any confusion regarding registration, branch selection, document verification, our team is there to assist you with the counseling process. Don't miss the opportunity to get the expert guidance from our team, and don't lose the opportunity to get your preferred branch. Thank you.